We're going to take a quick look at WebFireTraining's compliance training and tracking service. It's quite straightforward and easy to use. Go to www.webfiretraining.com and click on the login icon. Then enter your property login number. Each property is given its own unique logon number. If you don't know it, please let us know. After we log in, we land on the Trainee Login page. This is how trainees enter our service by finding their name and entering their password. We'll come back to show you the training module, but first, let's look at the administration modules. To log in as an administrator, go up to the blue bar and click on the admin icon in the center of the page. The system has two levels of administrative oversight. First, the property administrator sets up and monitors training property-wide. Second, the department administrator manages the training at the department level. We default to logging on as the property administrator. You'll input your property administrator password that you've been issued. This password can later be changed. This is what the property administrator page looks like. We'll be reviewing some of the tools on the dashboard. The others are pretty self-explanatory. To start, we'll check out the Property Admin Profile tab on top of the dashboard. Use it to update your user information or change the password for the property administrator. Now, let's click on the Departments tab. You see that there are many options listed. We first want to look at active departments. This is how you look up the passwords for each department administrator. You'll need these passwords later to log in as a specific department administrator in order to register associate for training or to delete one from the training roster. Let's check out how to add a department. Click on the Add Department tab. Just add a name and create a password. It is that simple. Notice, too, at the top of this page, a tab labeled Select Courses. You can tailor the course offering for each department's trainees by selecting the appropriate courses. Let's switch gears now. We'll take a look at how to monitor training at your property. Clicking on the Reports tab provides several report options. First, we'll check out the Property Compliancy Report, which gives you an overview of training performance at the property. Course Usage Report gives you the numbers. Finally, a Department Report delves into the details. Now, let's check out the Manual Score Input tab. This is something that you'll likely use. Although most training will likely be done on a self-paced basis, you can also do it in a group setting. To do a group training session, assemble trainees in a room and play a course on your laptop while projecting it onto a larger screen. This form of training can lead to a rich learning experience. You can ask open-ended questions, foster interactive discussions, and salt in property-specific information. Remember, though, you'll still need to perform some administrative tasks before or after the training. Next, click on the Certificates tab to download a certificate of completion for each course a trainee has successfully completed. Click on the Print Associate Specific icon. Find the name of the associate of interest. Select a course. This concludes our look at the Property Administrator page. Now we're going to change hats. We're going to play the role of a specific department administrator. To log in as such, click on the Administrator icon. To the right of the name Property Administrator, you'll find a drop-down arrow. Engage it to find the appropriate department to log into.